Today's music ain't got the same soul. I like that. The kind of music just soothes the soul.
So I'm gonna say it's probably the rubber bushings there. What are you waiting for? Hey.
Go.
Dumbass.
What are you doing, you dumb? Wow! South Park? Where we're going?
Break down exactly what happened in the debate, who he helped, who's going to be hurt. All right, let's go over to the House of Representatives. Are they doing anything over there? We've got Byron Donalds, Reagan Kelly, and so shout out to Greg Kelly for doing some good yesterday. Great stuff. All right.
What are you doing?
Who's that?
Mother. 3 miles an hour? You're gonna kill somebody. You.
That's my thought. Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did you get that on film? No way. Yeah, right.
Oh my
What
God.
was he doing? What was he thinking?
What was his idea?
Dude, he was flying.
How did he not hit us?
Dude is just going for it.
Just getting it.
That's
huh?
the dude that just... No way.
Just about hit us and decides to just rally past at 100.
Sync will attempt to call 911. If you wish to cancel the call, please hold the phone button. A 911 assist call is being placed. Sync will speak first to the 911 operator before opening the line. Please wait.
Oh,
Okay.
that's a bit rude. That's pretty. What do you mean you're turning left?
Because they realize this lane's a bit slow.
Yeah, it's the right lane. Like.
Watch as they come back over.
Alright. Honestly, they're thinking about it today. Look at them. They're like, uh-oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my f***ing god. Oh!
You gonna let me off the asshole?
They were getting shot at all an effort to blame somebody else.
nice. Do not stop in the intersection. Sorry, truck. Fucking not. Don't tell me this is the line for Culver's. I'm dead! Oh my god! Oh my god, this should be...
Stay safe out there on the road. Follow us for more daily content and share your own experiences in the comments below.
Go! Go!
Number one reason why I got a dash cam.
Oh, fuck, dude! Ah! She just...
Don't worry, it's all on camera. Don't worry, it's all on camera.
This is why you shouldn't send it down unfamiliar roads.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Oh my god! That didn't sound good. What is that?
Glad you moved.
Yep, that's why I moved.
Oh boy.
Joga pra trás, não joga pra trás, postinho, 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 postinho.